I still remember the moment I saw my NEET result. Everything went silent except my own doubts. But something in me refused to give up. I studied in silence, in pain, in doubt, but also with hope. And somehow that girl who failed NEET is now a doctor at 23. Hello guys, this is Dr. Neha and today I'm going to share with you that why I wanted to become a doctor. So let's start from the basics, okay? So when I was in high school around 7th and 8th standard, our school had taken us to a biology museum which is in a hospital. Okay, so over there I saw these little babies in jars and skeletons and organs preserved in glass, which was very fascinating for me. Like, I don't know, most of my classmates were very scared and very disgusted by the sight of it, but me on the other hand, I was really fascinated on how the human body works, curious about how we are created and things like that. So that's where my love for biology came into being and I started loving it. And then skip to a few years later, my grandmother, my granny, had a heart attack and I started spending a lot of time with her in the hospital. Okay, so over there I saw a lot of patients in pain, and there I understood that a disease does not break a patient, it breaks the entire family. I saw how my parents were in pain as well. There I did not only see patients, I saw those heroes, those doctors who were treating these patients in pain. They were not just treating bodies, they were healing hearts. And something somewhere inside me, it whispered कि नेहा, अगर तुझे बनना है ना, ये इंसान बन. Okay, so मुझे बनना है यार डॉक्टर, उस टाइम पे लगा था. ठीक है, but sometimes wanting something and then actually getting it are two different things. So I'm a first generation doctor and a person who does not have any science backing. Like, no one in my entire family has taken up science as even a subject. So no one knew what to do, where to go, like what to study. Okay, there were some of my classmates who just told me to join these classes, these are good. So I did that. And after joining classes for NEET, I understood that this is a very competitive field. मुझे पता ही नहीं था कि what I'm getting into. I was smart in school, but when I took up science, अचानक से all my smartness drained out. I did not understand what to do. Like, मुझे पता ही नहीं था इतना competition है इस field में. मुझे पता ही नहीं था कि कितने लोग नीट देते हैं, कितने लोग पास होते हैं और कितने लोगों को गवर्नमेंट सीट मिलती है. सो दिस वाज लाइक आई हैव गॉटन माई सेल्फ इनटू अ ट्रैप एंड आई हैव स्कैम्ड माई सेल्फ. मुझे यही लग रहा था. ठीक है, बट स्टिल, मतलब इतना सब कुछ होने के बाद स्टिल आई वांटेड टू बिकम अ डॉक्टर. आई स्टडीड हार्ड, जितना मेरे से हो सका किया. ठीक है, आई डिड नॉट स्कोर वेल इन नीट एंड आई डिड नॉट गेट अ गवर्नमेंट सीट. ठीक है, आई आस्क्ड माई पेरेंट्स वेदर आई कुड टेक अ ड्रॉप. I told them I'll study harder and I'll get a government seat next time, but they said no, don't waste a year. My dad said join my business. I was like, I did not have an option because he is going to fund my studies, so I cannot say no. Okay, so I just went with whatever was there for me. After that, I joined my interior designing college in Bandra and I got in. Okay, I was going to pay my fees the next day. Means कल मुझे फीस पे करनी है and आज ये बात हो रही है, which I'm going to tell you. तो I was just scrolling through my Instagram and I saw a friend, okay, who went abroad to pursue MBBS, and I just casually told my parents, see that one of my friend who I used to study with went abroad. So my parents were like, why don't you try? And I was like, okay, if you're telling me this, I'll just put my brains into it. So I did not pay my college fees. I started researching. I started asking friends. I went to agencies. I talked to different people. I searched people online from different universities to see and compare how different universities are, how the living conditions are, what the fee structures are. And I finally came up to a university, which was my university in Kyrgyzstan. That is my Osh State Medical University, which fit my budget and I was eligible for. So I got into the university, and the rest is history. And yeah, I also cleared my FMG in my very first attempt. So yeah, you can do it, baby. Just believe in yourself. Just don't give up, okay? Just don't give up on your dreams. Just keep working hard for it. तुमको पता है ना कि शाहरुख खान का डायलॉग,
अगर किसी चीज को पूरे दिल से चाहो तो सारी कायनात तुम्हें उससे मिलाने की साजिश में लग जाती है, और जिंदगी के अंत में सब अच्छा ही होता है, और अगर अच्छा ना हो तो वो अंत नहीं, पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे को।
thank you for listening to my 7-8 minutes of non-stop ranting of how I became a doctor. But I hope this helps you, and if it has helped you, please click the like, subscribe, and share it to your friends who need it right now. Bye bye.